Good morning to everybody. Yesterday we discussed partial fractions integration using partial fractions method and integration using completing square method. We will do one more sum on completing square, then we will jump on to the 7 marks questions from integrations. So, integral of root of 6 minus 2x square plus x. 6 minus 2x square plus x dx. Completing square method. How to integrate this? First of all, how can I integrate this? So, there is a square root and this inside the root there are something. So, I cannot apply the integration separately. I cannot separate this plus and minus. So that's why I told you to go for completing square method. Even if it is 1 by or even if it is not 1 by, you should go for completing square. If it is 1 by and root is not there, then you can go for partial fractions. But here there is no 1 by, such thing. Second thing, root is there. So go for completing square method. Only method is go for completing square method. How do I complete this square? This we learned at 10th class and yesterday also we discussed how to go for completing squares. First, make the x square coefficient as 1 I told you. So x square coefficient should be 1, means take out 2 common from the whole. So comes out of outside, I am writing this is root 2. Take out 2 common, root 2 outside I am writing. So left out is 3 minus x square plus x by 2. I am taking 2 common, so 3 minus x square plus x by 2. Now x square coefficient is minus 1 I got, I need to get plus 1. So if I take minus common, so this becomes plus, this becomes minus. Now x square coefficient is 1. Now what I told? Let 2 be equal to x coefficient. 2 be equal to x coefficient. What is the coefficient of x here? 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. No need to consider the sign I told. This is a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square you will get. So 2b equal to 1 by 2, b is equal to 1 by 4. b is equal to 1 by 4. Now always b square, add b square and subtract b square I told. Means squaring on both sides gives you b square. b square is 1 by 16. So add 1 by 16, subtract 1 by 16. Then it becomes completing square. So root 2 into root of 3 minus of x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16. Now, if I open the bracket, this is minus of minus plus 1 by 16 comes out and this is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square. And this is minus and minus plus 1 by 16. 1 by 16 plus 3. 1 by 16 plus 3. So, 1 by 16 plus 3. What I want to say is 16 is LCM 48 plus 1. 49 by 16 I can write here. 49 by 16 minus, this is a minus b whole square in this. So, x minus b is 1 by 4. So, you get a minus b whole square. X minus 1 by 4 whole square. Now, this 49 by 16 I can write as 7 by 4 whole square. 49 by 16 I can write as 7 by 4 whole square. 7 by 4 whole square. Now, this is in the form of integral of root of a square minus x square. Integral of root of a square minus x square. What is the formula for integral of root of a square minus x square? Root of a square minus x square. Root of a square minus x square integration formula I told you. This is x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. A square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. So using this formula, root 2 as this root 2 as this into x by 2. So x by 2, what is x by 2 here? X minus 1 by 4 by 2. x minus 1 by 4 by 2 into root of a square minus x square means as it is 7 by 4 whole square minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus a square by 2 means 49 by 16 by 2. So 49 by 32 into sin inverse x by a means x minus 1 by 4 by 7 by 4. If I take 4 LCM, 4x minus 1 by 7 plus c. Sin inverse of 4x minus 1 by 7 plus c. So I am repeating this. I am repeating again. First of all, x square quotient should be 1. So I am taking 2 common. So root 2 outside. This becomes 3 minus x square. This is plus x by 2. Now I am taking minus common from these two. So that is x square minus x by 2. Because x square quotient should always be plus 1 I told. Now this is a minus b whole square. I need to complete the square. So this is a square. This is minus 2ab. I need b square. To find b, I told you 2b equal to x quotient. So 2b equal to 1 by 2, b equal to 1 by 4. b square to be added and subtracted, I told. 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 16 to be added and subtracted. Now if I till this is a minus b whole square. This is minus half minus plus 1 by 16 comes out of the bracket. 1 by 16 plus 3 becomes 49 by 16. So I can write 7 by 4 whole square. Now root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square formula I gave you. X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. So using the formula I am writing as it is. So this is the final result. This is how we should go for completing squares. Why I am saying this we should use in 7 marks concept. We need to use this in 7 marks questions. Now we are going to exercise 70. From this exercise you will get 2 7 markers. Usually 2 7 markers. At least one compulsory, one from the next exercise otherwise. Usually 2 from same exercise is given. One is compulsory. 100% 1 7 marker you will get from this exercise. First, there are 4 methods. Out of the 4 methods, they will do 2 7 markers or at least 1 7 marker. So learn all the 4 methods. Very simple methods, very important methods. The first method is both numerator and denominator is sin by cos. Like a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x form. Like both numerator and denominator are in terms of cos and sin with degree 1. With degree 1. So a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d sin x. Whenever if you find this form, you need to take the procedure for doing this one is numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator, a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator, So numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. This is the procedure to do this one. What happens if you do like this? This numerator, if I am able to write in this form, what happens is a into, this is derivative of numerator, means f dash x by fx will get. So always you will get log mod fx plus after finding b value, b into denominator. Denominator is this only. So denominator, numerator both will become same, cancel 1. So always you will get simply final result you will get like this. A into log of denominator, log of f integral of f dash x by fx, log mod fx will get plus b into integral of 1 dx is x plus. This will be your answer. If you are able to write like this, okay, your answer will be like this. So whenever if you find numerator and denominator both in terms of sin and cos, so you need to proceed like this. This carries you 7 marks. So there are 4 methods. This is the first method I am taking. Now, one example if you take, you can understand very easily. In exercise 70, second Roman second sum. second row, second sum. Evaluate 9 cos x minus 9 cos x minus sin x by 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. 5 cos x dx. 9 cos x minus sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x dx. Very simple. If you observe, numerator, denominator are in terms of sin and cos. This is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x by c cos x plus d cos d sin x. So, what I want to say is, first take numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. So, what I want to say is, you write numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator always. It is in sin and cos form. Means numerator here is 9 cos x minus sin x. I will assume that I can write this numerator as a into d by dx of denominator. What is the derivative of this? 4 into derivative of sin x is cos x plus derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Means 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus b into denominator means b into denominator as it is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. So if I am able to write like this, I can find a and b. So if I open the brackets, I will get 4a cos x minus 5a sin x plus 4b sin x minus 5b cos x. So comparing like terms on both sides, I will get a and b. Comparing like terms on both sides. So what do I get? Here cos quotient is 9 equal to on that side. Coming to this side, what is the cos quotient here? 4a plus minus 5b. 4a minus 5b. 4a minus 5b. Equation 1. Plus, like the same, coming to the sin quotient. What is the sin quotient on this side? Minus 1 equal to. Here, sin quotient is minus 5a plus 4b. Minus 5a plus 4b. Equation 2. Now solving these two, I can find a and b. These are the two linear equations in two variables. You can solve using substitution method, elimination method, or cross multiplication method. I am going for elimination method. So find a and b. So 9 cos x minus sin x equal to a into derivative of 4 sin x plus 5 cos x is 4 cos x minus 5 sin x. Derivative of sin is cos. And this is cos x minus sin. That's why minus 5 sin x. Now plus b into 4 sin x plus 5 cos x as this. Comparing like terms. I open the bracket and then comparing like terms. Coefficient of cos is 9 equal to 4a plus 5b and sin coefficient minus 1 equal to minus 5a plus 4b. Solving 1 and 2 using elimination method I told. So I am going for solving 1 and 2 using elimination method. So how can I solve the both? So elimination method means I need to eliminate one thing. So I will multiply this with 5, this with 4, so that I can eliminate a. So if I multiply equation 1 with 5, becomes 4 5s are 20a plus 5 5s are 25b equal to 9 5s are 45. Like multiply this with 4, becomes minus 20a minus 28 plus 4 4 is 16b equal to 4 1 minus 4. So subtracting or adding one from the other, 28 cancel. This is 41b equal to 45 minus 4 41 implies b equal to 1. B equal to 1. Next Substitute b in anything gives you a value. So 9 equal to 4a plus 5b means 5 into 1 5. 5 to this side becomes a equal to 1, k equal to 1. So I got a is 1, b is also 1. A is 1, b is also 1. Substituting a and b in the given equation, instead of numerator, I can write this now. So 1 into 4 cos x minus 5 sin x plus 1 into 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Instead of numerator in the integrator, I can write like this. If you have doubt whether your AB values are correct or not, you just expand and simplify, you will get numerator again. Means 4 cos x plus 5 cos x, 9 cos x. Minus 5 sin x plus 4 sin x gives you minus sin x. Just you do in rough work, don't do. Now you continue. This is A, B you got. Now what is A? A is 1, B is 1. Instead of this numerator, I can write this. Denominator as this. Denominator is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x or 5 cos x plus 4 sin x. So denominator as this. So this integral of this equal to numerator I can write like this and denominator as this means 4 sin x plus 5 cos x as this or 4 cos x 5 cos x plus 4 sin x integral. Now separate it. This by this plus this by this. Now that this part becomes f dash x by fx. F dash x by fx. I will write one more step. 4 cos x minus 5 sin x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus integral of that part 4 sin x plus 5 cos x by 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. So this becomes f dash x by fx, log mod fx. This becomes cancel, becomes 1 dx is x. So your final answer always I told log mod of denominator plus x plus c. So only thing is you need to find a and b. Only thing is you need to find a and b. So your final answer is integral of f dash x by fx. You write down the formula always. Log mod fx means log mod 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus integral of 1 dx x plus c plus c plus plus c. This is what result always. Now this is for 7 marks. This is for 7 marks. Object value is simple shortcut for this method. You see what I told. You are going to find AB values. So your answer will be A log mod denominator. So this is 5 cos x plus 4 sin x or 4 sin x plus 5 cos x whatever plus b into x. Only thing is you need to find A and B. For finding AB, you do just this into this minus this into this. So 9 into 4, 36 plus this is 5. 36 plus 5, 45, 41. 41 by this. 41 by, what I want to say is, this into this. How much? 36. Minus, this into this, minus of minus, plus 5. By, this square plus this square. 5 square plus 4 square. How much? 41. 5 square is 25, plus 4 square is 16. 41 by 41. So your A is 41. And coming to B, this into this, minus means plus this into this, 9 into 5, 45 plus minus 4, by say this square plus this square, 25 plus 16, 1, 41 by 41, again 1. So A is 1, B is 1, simple way of finding A. But you should not use in IP because this is for 7 marks. If it is given for objective, you can use this. Shortcut. One step answer. For object. One more example if you do, you can easily understand this. One more sum in the same concept. 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x dx. Now, this is same method. If you observe numerator sin x cos x, denominator also sin x cos, so you can go for the same method. Numerator equal to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator. So using this concept, what can you write first? So numerator 2 cos x plus 3 sin x equal to a into derivative of the denominator means minus 4 sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, means minus 4 sin x plus 5 into derivative of sin x is cos x as is plus b into denominator as is b into 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. b into 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Now if you open the brackets, this becomes minus 4a sin x plus 5a cos x plus 4b cos x plus 5b sin x. Now comparing like terms on both sides. Comparing like terms on both sides. Now, here coefficient of cos x is 2 equal to coefficient of cos x here is 5a plus 4b, 5a plus 4b, and coefficient of sin x here is 3 equal to sin x here is minus 4a plus 5b, minus 4a plus 5b, minus 4a plus 5b. Let this be equation 1, let this be equation. Now solving 1 and 2, you will get a and b. Then we will go for the same method, derivation method, and multiply this with 4, this with 5. So that I will get a and b values, then we can go. So how can I find a and b? This with 4 if I do, this becomes 20a plus 16b equal to 4 to 8. I am multiplying with 4. 4 5 is 20, 4 4 is 16 equal to 4 to 8. And multiply this with 5. Minus 20a plus 5 5 is 25b equal to 5 3 is 50 equal to 5 3 is 50. So 20a cancel. 41b equal to 23. 41b equal to 23. 41b equal to 23. 23. Next, b is equal to 23 by 41. 23 by 41. Substitute b in anything gives me a value. So 2 equal to 5a plus 4b, 4 into 23, 4 3 is 12, 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9 by 41. So 5a equal to 2 minus 92 by 41, 41 LCM. So this is 41 into 2, 82 minus 92, 82 into 92. Calculation part to take care, I can do mistakes also. So 82 minus 92 means minus 10 by 41. Minus 10 by 41. Sorry. This is 4 into 23. 4 3 is at 12. 4 to 8 plus 1 92 by 41. And this side is 2. So coming on to this side minus. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja 8. Yeah, 5a equal to this much. Means a equal to 5 2 ja cancel. So a equal to minus 2 by 41. Minus 2 by 41. Minus 2 by 41. So instead of ab, now I can write, instead of numerator, I can write minus 2 by 41 into this plus b is 23 by 41 into this. Now integral of this is nothing but integral of this is nothing but 4 cos x plus 5 sin x is nothing but integral of this by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 23 by 41 integral of 4 cos x plus 5 sin x by 4 cos x plus 5 sin x. Now these two get cancelled. This is 1 dx, this is log mod dx. Minus 2 by 41 into log mod 4 cos x. Okay. Minus 2 by 41 into log mod cos x, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x plus 23 by 41 into x plus c. This is our final result. Instead of doing this much, if it is objective, I told you, same, we will do that. Simply a into log mod denominator, whatever may be, 4 cos x plus 5 sin x as this, plus b into x I told you. To find AB, what I told you, this into this, A value is this into this, for 2 5 are 10, minus this into this, 4 3 are 12, by A square, C square plus D square, D square plus D square, 16 plus 25, so minus 2 by 16 plus 25, 41, after minus 2 by 41. Next, for finding B value, this into this, 4 to the 8, plus this into this, 3 by the 15, by denominator same 41. So 15 plus 8, 23. So 23 by 41 is there. Same answer. In one step we can write. But this is for 7 marks, we should do half.